World War II, the role of America. Hey there, history explorers! Get ready to travel back to a time of immense challenge and sacrifice, World War II. Imagine a world in turmoil, where heroes emerge to stand against darkness and defend freedom. Get ready to uncover the remarkable role America played in this global struggle. Picture this. It's the 1930s and 40s, and the world is plunged into war. Different nations are clashing, and the future looks uncertain. The role of America? Imagine a superhero entering the scene, not to conquer, but to save the day. So, why was America involved? It's like a puzzle with many pieces, but one of the main reasons was to defend democracy and stand against tyranny. The war was like a deadly storm spreading across the globe, and America knew it had to step in to protect its values and the values of its allies. The story begins in 1939 with the outbreak of the war. While initially neutral, America couldn't ignore the world's cries for help. In 1941, the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor changed everything. It was like a wake-up call, and America declared war, joining the Allies, a group of countries fighting against the Axis powers. America's industrial power was like a secret weapon. Imagine factories producing tanks, planes, and ships at an unprecedented pace. This production surge helped the Allies keep up the fight, and suddenly, the war wasn't just fought on battlefields. It was fought in factories and shipyards too. One of the most famous chapters was D-Day in 1944. Imagine thousands of soldiers storming the beaches of Normandy, France. This massive invasion was a turning point, as the Allies gained a foothold in Europe and pushed back against the Axis forces. But the war wasn't just about battles, it was about the home front too. Imagine people rationing food, recycling materials, and supporting the troops overseas. Everyone played a part in the war effort, from victory gardens to war bond drives. In the Pacific, America faced a formidable opponent, Japan. Imagine the Pacific theater as a chessboard, where islands were strategic points. The Allies, led by General Douglas MacArthur, island hopped towards Japan, facing fierce resistance but inching closer to victory. Finally, in 1945, the world held its breath as the war reached its climax. America, along with the Allies, launched a powerful series of attacks on Japan. It was like the climax of a movie, and the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki brought a shocking end to the war. The aftermath was complex. America helped rebuild Europe through the Marshall Plan, a massive aid program. And the United Nations was established to promote peace and cooperation. It was like a new chapter in history, where the lessons of war were learned and applied. So, why does America's role in World War II matter today? Because it's a reminder of the power of unity and sacrifice. It's a lesson that when nations come together against injustice, they can achieve great things. America's role in World War II teaches us that even in the darkest times, courage and determination can lead to a brighter future. As we look back at this chapter in history, let's remember the heroes who fought, the families who supported, and the ideals that were defended. America's role in World War II shows us that history is shaped by the actions of individuals and nations, and the lessons learned continue to guide us towards a better world. And there you have it, the story of America's role in World War II, a tale of valor, unity, and the fight for freedom. Thanks for joining me on this journey through history. Let's honor the legacy of those who served by promoting peace, understanding, and cooperation in our own time. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.